Alright, let's be real. You've seen these posts all over Photobooth groups. Strips cut wrong, margins off, prints stretched, and I know you tried strips too. Why? Because everybody is talking about it. And of course, you want the best for your clients. But let me guess, you spent an entire day trying to make it work, wasted a ton of paper, and you're still not satisfied with what you've got, right? Don't you worry, I've been in your shoes, and if you're starting to know me by now, you know I never give up. It's either find a way or there is no way. So if there is a way, I'll find it. And today, I'm going to show you every single mistake you're making, the effect it has on your prints, and exactly how to fix it so you get those perfect strips every single time. If you don't know me, my name is Bill. I've been in this business for almost half a decade now. My ideal clients, corporate activations, and a few high-end weddings. Why? Because I don't have a huge team, and honestly, I got tired of the headache of dealing with private clients. Now, let me show you my setup before we dive in. I'm using a DNP DS620 printer coupled with my favorite tool, the Aircast Pro 3. Basically, this little box helps me print straight from my iPad without bringing a computer to my events. I've also got an older iPad running Lumabooth just for today's demo. And listen, if you have got a WCM instead of the Aircast Pro, it's fine. They both do the same job. I just personally picked the Aircast Pro after reading mixed reviews about the WCM. And oh, DNP, if you're watching this, feel free to send me one so I can test it out and give it a real review on this channel. Because you guys already know, I'll always keep it 100 with my community. Okay, now I am assuming that you already watched my video on how to design 2x6 templates. If not, pause this video, go watch that, and then come back. Because today we are moving straight to printing. So step 1, I'm opening Lumabooth. As always, you can use other softwares. You go to print layout, then printing, then choose vertical, hit that 4x6, hit custom, set dimensions to 600 by 1800, delete every picture on that layout, add your 2x6 design file that you carefully saved in your iPad, PNG or JPEG, it doesn't matter. It will fit perfectly because it is the exact size of the layout. Now the tricky part, adding the boot photos. Here's the hack. Instead of resizing randomly, just type the exact same values you use in Canva, then drag the boot photo right on top of the first rectangle. You gotta use your fingers, duplicate for photo 2 and photo 3, and adjust the image numbers. Always slightly. Okay, I'm not happy. I'm just gonna move it a little bit. Okay, perfect. Do the same, duplicate, and finish with the last one. So this one is the tricky part that I was talking about, but they always gotta do it once. And boom, done. And the best part, you only ever have to do it once. Because if you watched my Lumabooth tutorial video, you already know how to duplicate events and just swap a couple of details. That little trick right there saves you hours. Real quick guys, before we fix the messy prints, guys, sharing is caring. If this video helps you, share it with a friend in the business, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and check out my newsletter. I send free tips once every 2 weeks. Links below. And if you want to support the channel even further, check out bootcorner.com. We've got ready to use contracts, my Starboot photo booth, my printer stand, and other tools that will level up your business. Every purchase helps your business and funds this channel so we can keep making quality content for free. Now the part that you all came for, fixing your bad prints. Scenario 1, your print is a 4x6 and the printer cuts it in half, which gives you basically a stretched and shrinked picture. If you do this at an event, be sure you got good legs because you might have to run. Problem? I really don't know what you're doing wrong. As I've almost never faced this issue. Oh yes, maybe on my first print, but if you do what's next, you'll be good. Scenario 2, you get a 4x6 print with 2 identical sides, but the printer is not cutting. Problem, you might have chosen the wrong printer in both the Aircast Pro 3 interface and Lumabooth. Here is the easy fix. See, there are different printers when you go to aircastpro.local on your browser, after you obviously connected your iPad to the Aircast Pro Wi-Fi. And each printer over there is making a different kind of print. So even though your paper is a 4x6, you want to choose 2x2x6 because you want strips. After you have done that, you will be good to go. And be sure to choose the right printer in Lumabooth Print Server 2. Even though your paper is 4x6, you still want to choose 2x2x6 because you want strips. And you want to choose that printer both on Lumabooth and both on Aircast Product Local. After you've done that, you'll be good to go. I've watched some YouTube videos, and in those videos they say if you don't select the print 2x-page button in Lumabooth, it will print wrong, and that's not true. Select it or not, it doesn't matter. Also, if you select the wrong printer in aircastpro.local, for example 4x6 DNP instead of 2x2x6, and you have the correct printer in Lumabooth setup, which is 2x2x6, it is still going to work. Now let's move to scenario 3. The edges are cut and the margins are uneven. And it turns out that you are a perfectionist just as me, so even the little details seems like a very big deal to you. Welcome to the club, my friend. Problem is, you might have designed your template with thin margins, so these are my edges recommendations. But even if you got good margins, you can still end up with two different prints, and that is where the alignment part comes in. The easy fix is you want to look at your prints and make several adjustments until you come up with something that you like. Left to right, more left, do whatever. Spoiler alert, it will never be perfect, so don't be too hard on yourself, and trust me, I did more than 100 events and clients don't care about that. But if you use my Canva template back on my other video, these are my alignment settings. If you copy and paste that in Lumabooth, you will be good to go. This alignment thing, you can find it in every other software. So again, don't feel forced to download Lumabooth. And that's it, my friend. Perfect 2x6 strips, no headache, no wasted paper. If you need extra help, I also offer one-on-one coaching calls, and listen, if I cannot solve your problem, you get your money back. Simple as that. Now, 97% of the people watching this channel are not subscribed. Why? Don't be part of that statistic, guys. Be the change you want to see in the world. Hit that subscribe button right now and join this amazing growing community. I've got some fun tutorials coming that you don't want to miss. Until then, see you in the next one. Peace.